Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to rank your Shopify store on Google step by step using the latest strategies that still work in 2026. Ranking your store on Google brings free, consistent traffic and helps your business grow without heavy ad spending. So yeah, SEO is essential for Shopify success. First, focus on keyword research. Identify what your customers are actually searching for. Look for keywords with high buyer intent rather than just high traffic. This ensures people who visit your store are likely to buy. Next, optimize your product pages. Include the main keyword naturally in the product title and description. Explain the benefits, usage, and solve customer problems with your copy. Avoid stuffing keywords. Write for humans first, search engines second. Meta titles and descriptions play a big role. Create unique meta titles and descriptions for every page. This improves visibility in search results and encourages clicks from users. Images and media matter too. Use descriptive file names, compress images for speed, and add alt text describing the image. This helps Google understand your content and improves accessibility. Site structure is crucial. Organize products into logical collections and avoid messy URLs. A clean, simple structure helps Google crawl your store efficiently and rank better. Page speed is another major factor. If your store loads slowly, both Google rankings and conversions drop. Compress images, remove unnecessary apps, and use a lightweight Shopify theme. Mobile optimization is non-negotiable in 2026. Ensure text is readable, buttons are tappable, and pages scroll smoothly on mobile devices. Content marketing boosts rankings over time. Write blog posts that answer customer questions and target related keywords. Educational and helpful content establishes authority and brings organic traffic. Finally, track performance and keep improving. Use Google Search Console and analytics to monitor rankings, impressions, and clicks. SEO is an ongoing process, and consistent optimization pays off in the long term. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.